I love cooking scallops, not only because they're delicious, but also they take no time at all to cook. I'm going to show you a very classic French way to prepare these, and it takes a few minutes. So I've been preheating a pan, quite high heat, with just a small splash of extra virgin olive oil. You want it to be a high heat because we just want to flash fry these scallops. So they take about 30 seconds on each side. So in with our scallops. I've got beautiful fat scallops. These days in Australia, you can find them at all your fishmongers, and you can leave the roe on if you like, or you can take it off. It depends on your preference. And I'll season them with some salt, just on each individual scallop, a little pepper. And by the time you do that, it's time to turn them. They really only need that 10 to 30 seconds. What we're after is that beautiful char. If they're overcooked, they can become rubbery, and we don't want that because they're such a beautiful seafood. Okay, they'll take a moment on that side, which gives me enough time to add a splash of white wine. And I'll remove them. And then you'll see that wine start to reduce. We want to cook off that alcohol. And then it's time to add the cream. Now, I like to use a cooking cream for this, not only because it thickens up fast, but because of that heat, it won't curdle or split at all. In fact, it'll do the opposite. It'll go lovely, glossy, and of course, nice and creamy. So just give that a swirl. The combination of white wine and cream, they're best mates, particularly served with seafood like this. Give the pan just a bit of a swirl. See how thick that's becoming? And that's the sauce almost done. The last thing I love to add is just a little knob of cold butter just to make the sauce extra glossy. So whisk the butter in until it completely melts into the cream and then remove off the heat. Sauce is done. So in a shallow bowl, I'm going to pour this thick, rich, creamy sauce so our gorgeous scallops can float in it, and we'll just arrange them in there. This can be served as an entree or as a main, but serve it with lots of crusty bread. A little pop of green, some chives over the top. That is a beautiful French-style dish there. Scallops with a creamy sauce.